Today's episode is 70 reacts to Akari snore gets replaced with number block 54 snore, and this video has been requested by Chori Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 70 here. I'm going to react to Akari's snore gets replaced with number block 54's snore, but too bad so sad. That is what you get for blowing snot bubbles in your sleep. But anyways, enjoyed the reaction. Take that, you stupid snoring sore loser. That's the main reason why you shouldn't blow snot bubbles in your sleep. The video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 205.